Ratty George, but this a money I try about Judah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. How go on here, so, man?
Yeah, man.
Are you pet this?
Yes, sir.
Oh boy, what a
Shit, funny nest, you know?
Okay, for real. These were the parakeets, the Jamaican parakeets you were feeding from the golden spoon, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh boy, father to son, I can see the loyalty, man. Whatever, if it's a he or a she, I can see that he is comfortable. Very comfortable. Yeah, man. Hold him out for your hand, let me see him. Hold him. Yeah, yo. Yeah, man, and you know that we are not going to hold them as long as you're not going to hold them, hurt them, we are selling them. We're letting them go. Yeah, man, you want a pet for your child as a therapy? Very good for therapies. Yeah, so we're going 7,000 Jamaican dollars for one single one. Two of them a pair, 1,400. Yeah, man, and we have them in abundance. He's just walking with one.
14,000.
Yeah, man, 14,000, and you can let them breed and you raise them. Your child, best thing for your children. Teach them how to take care of something. Have a beautiful day. Yeah, man, easy no, man. Tried of Judah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.